Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this Shield Life EMF filtering and warming pad. It's a gift that I just received today. Just check the price on Amazon. It is hella expensive. I didn't realize what a luxurious gift it was, and I'm super grateful. Because it's such an expensive gift, I wanted to unbox it specifically with you guys so that if you guys are interested, you guys get a real experience of what the product is like. So if you guys do want to invest in it, you guys have a little bit more idea versus, you know, go into it head on and get disappointed or feel like you didn't get your money's worth. Made in Korea, which is delightful. Okay. Why is it so heavy? Whoa. It is literally hella heavy. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, so it's literally just this package. Let me get my bed ready and we'll put it on. I've had this for at least, I want to say 10 years. It's got a little bit of pilling from the mattress cover that I had, which tells me that I probably need to replace that too, but for now we're taking care of one problem at a time. I mean, it works okay, but there's some pockets of this warming pad where it's not warm enough. We're gonna take it off and then we're gonna put the new guy on. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, to the mattress. Okay, there we go. Get some scissors. Oh, actually don't need scissors, so this part is already open. I'm just gonna get that out. I love how intelligently that was packaged. Okay, that's what I was looking for. This is the power cable and cords. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's very simple. You just got the power button, temperature up and down, and then it tells you. But we'll plug that in and see what that's about. Oh good, so we probably don't need this, probably to keep this safe during storage and transport and on the shelves. A user manual. And it seems pretty dense. Ooh, it talks about what the EMF it's supposed to protect you against, how it's designed. Oh look, so I'm glad we're doing this right now because I didn't realize. But so the built-in plug has to be on the top side. I usually put it at the bottom of my mattress because I don't want to hit my head on it or whatnot. But okay, so we know how to do this now. So it says, before you connect the power plug, lay the product flat on the bed or on the floor to smooth out any folds. Place the connector of the mat upward, so towards the head of the bed. Place the part of the mat with the built-in plug at the head of the bed. Like we just said that. Oh, and I like it. They have little anchors so that it doesn't move around. So that's cool. Oh, here we go. Check this out. So this is the anchor. So this fits underneath. I'll show you guys so that way it doesn't move around. And then this is the part that plugs in. So we're gonna put that at the top. So let's move this guy. So we're gonna put this part down, this part facing the mattress. Wow, this is some fancy stuff. Oh, it looks really nice. It's so thick and plush. Look at that. Look how thick that is. And how well made. And everything's stitched very nicely. And I feel like it's so thick that it's not gonna move around, which is nice. At least that's what I'm thinking. And I'm not tall enough, I'm not gonna put it too far down. And when we go like that, I think that's pretty good. Just fit it right underneath the mattress so it's holding it in place. Oh, that's so nice. And I'll show you on this side so that way you guys see this guy. Oh, I'll show you guys up here. Better view so you guys see that. This clip, remove that. And then you could actually, if you really wanted to, you could expand it to your mattress. And this side I did have to expand because the top part, so it's not moving around, which is fantastic. So one part of the manual is in English and the other is in Korean. So that's helpful. So it's not as thick as I thought it was. So let's open this guy. Okay, so it's like a Ziploc, easy to open, no scissors required. I kind of like that. It's very like self-explanatory. It doesn't require any additional tools to set up. I like that a lot. I wonder what they officially call it. And I like that it's long. And you can I like that the actual cord is long because my other one, I'll show you guys how short it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look how short the cord is for this guy, the old one. So this is the old one. And then look how short the actual cord is. So if you've got it plugged in, like this is how short it is. So if you're not right against the wall, it's really hard to plug in. The different prongs. How this area has a groove and there's a groove down there. So this is the way it goes. Alright, so you just slip it right in. You could even, I did it one-handed. It's a nice satisfying click. And I think I'm gonna plug this guy behind the bed right here because the outlet's right back here. It's nice and long so I could actually have this by my bedside. I could probably actually have it slung under here or something. And let's power this bad boy on. Yes, very nice. I'll have to play with the power setting. The lowest is 0. And yeah. Let me show you guys the detailing on this actual Shield Life stuff. I want you guys to see the fine detailing of this item. Look how nice that looks. Look at the stitching. The details on the side. I think that's really nice because if you're paying top dollar for this kind of product, I think you expect this kind of quality. And they continue that quality of that stitch.
Hey guys, let me know down in the comments below if you want me to do a follow-up video letting you guys know